Hello students, everyone welcome back to your online classes, and today's topic is When the Earth Shook, chapter 14, page number 131. Shook means this is a past tense of shake, okay? Past tense of shake is shook. So, shook means tremble or vibrate, okay? Like move up and down or from side to side with rapid, forceful or jerky movements. So, let's begin. A bad dream. Help, help, save me. Oh, there was screaming and shouting everywhere. The ground was shaking and people were running all around. So, here people are saying to help, okay, to save them. And everywhere people was shouting. And that time the ground was also shaking. That means it was moving up and down, okay. And people were also running. Screaming loudly, I got up. So, after hearing this noise, she got up. On hearing me, my mother also woke up. So, this Jasma, after hearing her mother also woke up. She came running and held me tight. Her mother came to her and she grabbed her very tightly. It was the same bad dream. They saw the same, and that dream was very bad. It has been more than 6 years now since the earthquake. So now before 6 years there was earthquake, okay, but in my sleep I still feel the earth shaking and trembling. But when she sleeps that time, still she feels the earth shaking and trembling. I am Jasma. I live in the Kutch area of Gujarat. I was 11 years old when there was an earthquake. So, this is a story about a girl named Jasma, and she lives in a place called Kutch, which is in the area of Gujarat. And now she is 11 years old, and when there was earthquake in Gujarat, that time she was just 11 years old, okay. It was 26th January 2001. Everyone from the village, children and old people, had gathered in the ground of the school to watch the parade on TV. So it was in the year 2001 and date was 26th January, okay. Then all the people from the village, like children and old people, they used to gather on the ground of the school, and they used to gather to watch the parade on TV. Suddenly the ground was shaking. That time suddenly the ground started to shake, okay. People were scared and started running here and there. So people they were very afraid. So because of that they started to run here and there. No one knew what was happening and what to do. So nobody knew that what was happening to that place. So there was total panic. So people, so everyone, they all did not know what to do in this situation, okay. In a few minutes, our village was flat on the ground, okay. After a few minutes, due to shake, that is due to earthquake, their village was flat on the ground. All our things, clothes, pots, grains and food were trapped under the stones, mud and wood from the fallen houses. So because of the shaking of the earth, what happened? Everything like clothes, pots, grains and food, everything were trapped under the stones, okay. At that time, everyone thought of two things: to save the people who were trapped and to treat the injured. So that time everyone thought that only two things. Okay, one was to save the people, those who are trapped under the stones, mud and wood, and another was to treat the injured. The village hospital was also damaged. That time the village hospital was also destroyed. Okay, many people were seriously injured and many people were badly injured. My leg also got fractured. So her leg also that time, her leg also got fractured. The doctor treated people with the help of the villagers. So doctor gave the treatment to the people with the help of all the villagers. 6 people of our village died. So when there was earthquake that time, how many people died? 6 people. My grandfather Nana was also buried under the houses. So due to earthquake, Asma's grandfather also, he was also buried under the houses. My mother wept all the time. Seeing my mother, I also cried. The entire village was sad and disturbed. So that time when her grandfather died, that time her mother cried so much. Okay, so seeing her mother, she also cried. Okay, and that time the entire means that all the village people were very sad and their mind was disturbed. Okay, house of Mota Bapu, who is the sarpanch of our village, was not much damaged. So there was house of Mota Bapu, and who is the sarpanch of their village, and his house was not much damaged. He gave rice and wheat to everyone from his godown. So Mota Bapu gave everyone rice and wheat. Okay. For many days, the village woman cooked food together at Mota Bapu's house and fed everyone. So that time, all the women from the village, they all cooked together at Mota Bapu's house and they fed every people of the village. Imagine being without a house in the cold winter. Fear and the cold kept us awake in the nights. All the time we were worried that there may be another earthquake. So imagine, okay, in the cold winter time, there was no house, okay, because everything was destroyed due to earthquake. So every time they used to have fear, and they used to get every time cold. Okay, and because of that they could not sleep properly in the night. So and every time they used to worry that again there will be another earthquake. Discuss and write. Have you or anyone that you know ever faced such difficulty? So if you have ever experienced earthquake, then you have to write. Okay, what were the problems you faced during earthquake? Who all helped at such a time? Make a list. So during earthquake, who were the people that came to help you? You have to make a list of those people. Help arrives. For some days after that, people from the cities kept coming to see what had happened. Then, after the incident happened, some people from the town, they came to help them, that what was happened in the area. They came with food, medicines and clothes. So when the people came from the cities, that time they brought food, medicines and clothes for them. Everyone used to rush to take these things. So that time every people, they used to rush to get that things. The clothes that we got were very different. We had never worn such clothes before. So whatever the clothes they have got, that clothes was different from which they used to wear before. Okay. People from different groups from the city helped us to put up the tents. So uh, from the city, different groups of people used to came and they used to help them to put up the tents. Staying in these plastic tents in the cold winter months was very difficult. So their tent was of plastic. So in the winter time it will be very cold, right? So because of that they were finding difficult to stay in that plastic tent. Some of these people were scientists. They tried to find out which areas have more chances of having an earthquake. So there some people were scientists and they tried to find out that now which area is prone of having an earthquake. People from our village talked to them many times. They had suggestions about building our houses again, and villagers people they used to talk to those people many times and they used to give suggestions that now they will build their houses again. Engineers and architects showed us some special designs for houses. And from the cities, some people were engineers and architects and they showed them some special designs in order to build their houses. They said that with this design, houses would not get damaged much in an earthquake. If they design whatever the engineers and architects have said to them, if they will design this type of house, then if there is another earthquake, then it won't damage more, okay, if they build those types of houses. But our people were a little afraid. But that time also people were little afraid. They thought if these people build our houses, our village will not look like our old village. Then the people of the village thought that if these people will make their houses, then their houses won't look like old village. So the villagers thought they would build their own houses with their help. The groups would build the village school. Then the villagers thought of that they will build their own houses by themselves. Just they will take the help of the people from the cities, and the groups they will build the village school. We all work together to rebuild our village. So in order to rebuild their village, the people of the village they worked together. Some people dug and brought the clay from the pond. So some people they dug and some they brought the clay from the pond. We mixed the clay with cow dung and made large cakes. So what they did is they mixed the clay with cow dung, and with that two things they mixed and they made large cakes. We put these on one another to make the walls. So these large cakes, for what purpose they will use? In order to make the walls. We whitewashed the walls and decorated them with beautiful designs and small pieces of mirrors. So they again whitewashed the walls and they decorated that wall with beautiful designs, and in the wall they also stick small pieces of mirrors. We put up the thatched roof, okay, like this. They have put up the thatched roof. Now our house shines like a diamond in the dark night. So in the night time, that time it will be dark, so that time it shines like a diamond, okay. Discuss. A lot of people from other places came to Jasma's village. Who were these people? In what ways would they have helped the villagers when there was earthquake? So that time many people came from other places to Jasma's village. So who are these people? These people they came from the cities, okay, and they helped them with food, clothes, medicines, water, and many things. People in Jasma's village rebuild their houses with suggestions from the engineers. Will these houses be safer than before in case there is an earthquake again? Why? So, these village people, they took the suggestions of the city's engineers and architects, and they have built their houses. So if there is an earthquake again, then will these houses be safer than before? So you have to write the reasons. Think, if there were an earthquake where you live, would your house be in danger? So you have to think, okay, there was an earthquake, so that time where you will go, and uh, will your house be in danger or not? You have to write. What will you do to save pet animals during natural disasters? So, if there occurs any natural disasters, that time what will you, where will you take your pet animals? Right. Compare your house with that of Jasma. List in your notebooks what materials were used in making both the houses. So you have to compare your house with Jasma's house. And while building your houses, what were the materials you used and Jasma they used? You have to compare and write. What will you do? People from the groups also made children in Jasma's school practice what they should do in case there is an earthquake. So people from the groups, they also made children in Jasma's school. They gave practice that if in case if there is an earthquake, then what shall they do? This is what they said. If possible, leave the house and go to an open ground. So in case if earthquake occurs, then if it is possible, then they can just leave the house and they can go to an open ground. If you cannot go out of the house, lie down under a strong thing like a table and hold on tightly so that it does not slip away. Wait until the shaking stops. So, if you are not able to go out, then that time what you can do is, you can see here in the picture, okay, like this. You just lie down under a strong thin like a table, and that you have to that time hold tightly, okay, until the shaking stops. Have you been told in a school or anywhere else about what to do in case of an earthquake? If you have been told, then you have to write. Why do you think one should go under a table during an earthquake? Because table can save the person from injury. Who helped? Read this TV report on the Bhuj earthquake. Okay, this was given on the TV, and this was about the Bhuj earthquake. Ahmedabad, January 26, 2001. At least 1,000 people are feared dead in the earthquake that struck Gujarat this morning. Okay, at least thousands of people, they are afraid because they had the dead because of earthquake. Many thousands have been injured, and many thousands people they are injured. Army Jawans have been called in to help. So in order to help them, Army Jawans have come. At least 150 buildings have fallen in the city of Ahmedabad. So because of this Bhuj earthquake, at least 150 buildings have collapsed. By this evening, around 250 bodies have been removed from these buildings. So till evening, around 250 bodies they have removed from these buildings. It is feared that several thousands people may still be trapped, and they are still afraid that there are still more thousands of people may be still trapped in these stones or buildings. Rescue efforts are on. Skilled people are rescuing them. There is perhaps no building in the city which has not developed cracks, and every building got cracked. Okay, there is no building in the city which has not been cracked. The situation in Bhuj is even worse now. Here the situation is very worst. People are running around in shock and panic. So people, they are moving around and they don't know what is happening in that area, and the people of that area, they don't know what to do in this situation. Within an hour of the earthquake, the fire engines had reached and started work along with the local people. So within an hour of the earthquake, the fire engines, they have reached and they have started working along with the local people. Offers to help are coming from all corners of the country and abroad. So now people from every country, they are helping them. Right. According to the TV report, thousands of people were injured and some died in Gujarat. If the buildings had been made in a way that they would not fall in the earthquake, would the damage have been different? How? So you have to write. At times like this, when people have lost their homes and all their belongings, what kind of help would they need? During this earthquake, people have lost everything, okay, their homes and whatever the belongings they have, everything they have lost. So that time, what kind of help do the people need? Like tent, huts and food materials, water, everything they need, okay. In such situations, whose help would be needed and for what? Write in your notebook as shown here. Whose help will be needed? You have to write dog, anything, okay. How will they help? To smell out where people are lying and trapped. So you have to make a list and write. Discuss. Have you ever seen people in an area helping each other? When? So if you have seen, you have to write. Why do people live together in a neighborhood? So why do people together in a neighborhood? Because they can help each other during the problems, okay. They can also share their happiness as well as sadness with each other. And when people are in need and in times of sorrow also, they can help each other. Imagine living in a place where there were no other houses or people around. So you have to imagine and you have to think that you are living in a place where there are no other houses and there are also no other people, okay. How would it be? For example, whom would you play with whom would you celebrate festivals and special days? Who do you be scared? So you have to write. People face a lot of difficulties when they lose people from their family or their houses and belongings. In newspapers of the last 1 month, look for news related to such disasters, earthquakes, floods, fires, cyclones, etc. in different parts of the world. Collect these news reports and paste them in your notebook. So in a family, if people had to face many difficulties, so if they lose their like belongings, their family members and their houses, that time they had to face a lot of difficulties. So in the last month's newspaper, you have to find out the news which is related to such disasters like earthquakes, floods, fire, cyclones, okay. You have to find and you have to collect those news reports and you have to stick them in your notebook. Your news report. Make your own report which mentions the following. So then you have to prepare your own news report, okay, by using these hints. Cause of the disaster, date and time. So when these natural disasters occurred, you have to write date and at what time and what was the cause of the disaster. What kind of damage did it cause to lives, belongings and livelihoods? Then what type of damage did this disaster caused? Okay, you have to write. Which people came forward to help, which government offices or other groups. If there is no rain, crops can fail and there can be a drought. but food for people can be brought from other places so that there is no famine. There is no famine, which means people don't have to stay hungry and they don't die of hunger. So if there is no rain, okay, that time what happens? Crops, they do not grow, and every place there will be dryness, okay. Then there will be no food for people, okay. So that time what they can do is people can bring food from the other places so that there is no like they don't have to starve, okay, which means people they don't have to stay hungry and they must not die of hunger. Have people in a area ever got affected by famine or drought? Find such reports of different countries from newspapers. Make your own report. You have to prepare your own report. You may need some help from this in case of an accident or emergency. Find out and write their addresses and phone numbers. Add more names to the list. Like in emergency, where you can go, okay, these are the names: fire station, nearby hospital, ambulance, police station, and address and phone number. Difficult times. Write a report with the help of the following words. By using all these words, you have to write the reports: floods, river water, injured people, food packets, rescue work, camps, dead bodies, dead animals floating in water, houses, underwater, aerial survey, that is to see the scene of disaster from a plane, sad people, diseases spread by dirty water, homeless people, trapped people. By using all these hints or clues, you have to prepare a nice report, okay. What we have learned: what type of difficulties are faced by people during flood? So during the time of flood, that time what are the difficulties that the people face? Look at the picture. What kind of school have the children come to after the flood? So see, this is the school, and after the flood they have come to this type of school. Write down what people had to do to make their life normal again after the flood. So again, in order to come back to their normal life, what are the things did the people do after the flood? So you have to write all the things in your notebooks. Students, again I say you that complete all your works in your notebooks, okay? So that in your exam time, if you copy all the notes in your notebooks, then you will not find any difficulty in your annual exam, okay? So try to copy all the answers from the WhatsApp. Thank you, students.